Hello. So we are at Halong Bay City, Halong Bay Port, and we are about to board the speedboat which takes us to our cruise. This is where we are. Unfortunately, the location of this particular port is not as scenic because the rest of the city is gorgeous. So let me just show you what the port looks like. So यहाँ पे there are, as you can see here, there are multiple cruises that board from here. We are taking Ambassador cruise. So please appreciate the tiles. I know Lovely Bana and my sister are appreciating the tiles. And these here are counters to buy tickets for the cruises for other cruise companies. Tibu has done the Halong Bay cruise 2 years ago, and when he did the cruise, he did not do a very fancy cruise, so that's how he learned now. There are fancier cruises because he was telling me that the port that they had to go to basically just had a tin roof. And this, as you can see, this is the waiting area. Basically, it's like a bus depot waiting area. Okay? So there is one coffee shop here. There is adequate place for people to sit. So when we first arrived here about 45 minutes ago, people were actually lying on these benches and sleeping. Oh, and please appreciate the art here. Okay, and it's very clean. Then this is the souvenir shop where we bought me a Vietnamese hat. We're going to pick up some snack items here because Tibu told me once we are on the cruise, there are these women who come on these little boats and they sell you stuff, even stuff like ramen noodle, the ready to eat, wo costs you like 2000 INR. So obviously we are not chumps and we are not going to pay that kind of money. So there's more restaurants and coffee shops on the inside, and the whole place is air conditioned, thankfully. Of course there's a Starbucks here also, like, excuse me. Then again a little store for snacks and stuff and local food items. Souvenir shop, we are not buying anything from here because Tibu told me we can pick everything up in Hanoi. Only thing is, I'm definitely going to be buying these. So if anyone wants this, please let me know in advance so I buy them in adequate numbers. Okay. Then, so another souvenir shop with what looks like Hawaiian shirts, but is it fair to call Hawaiian shirts in Vietnam, or should we call them Vietnamese shirts? That's the loo there, and we are back to the entry point. Okay. So now I'm just gonna take you back to the exit towards the port because I want to see if I can show you. It's really hot right now. It's expected, the temperatures are expected to go up to 40 degrees, and it's really hot and warm, but I think it's going to be totally worth it. Sorry. Then after this, let me first try and show you the outside, and then I'll show you where the waiting area is for our cruise. Okay, so this is how you step outside, and as soon as we do, yes we do. Oh, look at that. Oh. So this is another souvenir shop which obviously is not doing very well because it's so hot that there's no one here. This here is that in the far distance is the limescale mountains. So we are going to go on to one of those kind of cruise ships, I think. I don't know if you can see. And we are on the ship for about 2 nights, and it basically goes back and forth between has to be between limescale mountains, and it's really, really beautiful. The city itself is beautiful. Had I been awake, I would have made videos, but वो कार वाले videos बहुत ही jagged and jari. Okay, sorry, थोड़ा सा sleep deprivation है. Okay, now I'm walking us to go to our Ambassador cruise wala lounge waiting area. So pausing here. Alright, so walking back inside to go to Ambassador cruise ka walking area. Yeah, Huh. And so they've already taken our bags, suitcases. They have checked in our bags. Mind you, this is the reception area. Our suitcases are sitting here. Look at this. So this is definitely very premium. This is a mandir. So pretty. And my husband is supposed to be here somewhere. Yay! There he is. Hi. Hi, Tio. Hi, Tio. So we are here very early because our cruise doesn't depart until 11.
11:45 is boarding,
Huh.
and 12 a.m. is when we reach the cruise.
Okay.
And that's just a snippet of what Halong Bay looks like.
So tell me more about Halong Bay, please.
Halong Bay.
So when I was first told that we are going here, I just assumed it was How Long Bay because it just kind of made sense. So as far as I'm concerned, we are going to How Long Bay. For all intents and purposes, we are going to How Long Bay. तो क्या है वहाँ पे?
There's 1693 limestone cliffs which are all covered by trees. There's caves, emerald green water, and there's squid. And we're gonna do some kayaking. We're gonna go explore the cave.
Yeah. Oh my God. Now I'm scared.
On the kayak.
Oh my.
Yeah. That's gonna be fun. You're gonna be the one steering the boat.
It brings
And there's
back.
gonna be bats also.
It
right?
no,
Yeah.
it brings back memories from Thailand. Oh God, where we kept going in circles because Kuku could not figure out how to steer a kayak. All right, so that's it for now. When we are in Halong Bay on the cruise, we will have no internet. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, ठीक है. So further updates thereafter will come 2.5 days after. ठीक है?